Good evening, everybody. I've got another little box. It's a little bit smaller this time. I wonder what this could be. So, let's open it up and have a look. Function configuration, eh? Wonder what this could be. Mini radio quick start manual. Okay. Sort of gives a hint away there. A mini radio. Oh, so what is this? We have an antenna. A donut antenna. Frequency of 10 kilohertz up to 180 megahertz. Okay, let's put that there. We have a little tiny USB-C cable here. How long is this? Probably one of the smallest ones I've seen. Yep, that's not very long, but anyway, came with the box. Put that there. And we have this. Anything more in here? Nope, let's just put that to the side. We have that. Okay, so this is a little bit smaller than my usual things, and I believe this is just going to be a receiver only. So let's zoom into this area here. I will get a decent camera at some point, I promise. Let's get this bent back up, if it'll let me. Come on. Oh, there we go. Okay. So, let's have a look at this. What have we got here? You've got, I've just got the cover there. Okay, so you've got a USB-C. Looks like a speaker output. I'm guessing that is for your 3.5mm headphone jacks. Oh, what's that? Oh, yeah, tiny little on-off button. And, yep. I don't know what these are called, but I can feel it as it goes through each step. I'm sure one of you guys will be able to tell me what that means. So I'm guessing this supplies the power. With it being USB-C, it'll probably be 5 volts. Yeah, okay, so let's get this hooked in. Oh, dear me, very fiddly. Let's see what we've got here. So let's get that. Okay, it's a little bit sausage fingers here. Okay, so we have the antenna on. So let's turn it on and see what we got here.
A tow truck operator is loading and securing a vehicle. In 300 meters, a traffic control person is directing traffic. 100 meters, landscapers are trimming. More people work on or beside the road. You may realize, if you see orange cones or flashing lights, please slow down.
So it's a radio receiver, obviously.
Real people, like my sister.
Okay, well I know the local radio stations, let's go to that. Okay, I don't want to play too much of the music though, because I don't want to get a strike, so let's move out. Okay, so it's telling us a little bit of information here. I don't know if you can see it, but it's the band is VHF, mode is FM, what step it's doing, that's when you're changing it. Not sure. something auto there, AGC on volume 40. Okay, so I'm guessing you can press this in. Oh yeah, okay, so it changes the menu system. So what do we got here? Let's start from number 1. We have band, then we have mode, now we have volume, step, bandwidth, mute, AGC and ATTN, I'm guessing is automatic gain control and attenuation maybe. Soft mute, not familiar with that term. AVC, spare 1, I'm guessing that's an unprogrammed function. Seek up, seek, so, oh no, DN, on I think, or DN. There's calibration, brightness, spare number 2, guess it's unprogrammed, and back to band again. Okay, so let's, what modes do we have? Okay, well it's only giving me FM as an option here. Oops, let's go back in again. Where did we go? Okay, that's volume, and then on. Okay, it's getting loud, and turn it down again. Let's leave it at 49, so you can hear something. Okay, let's go and have a look in band. Oh, what have we got here? We've got VHF, we've got all. Okay, let's go the other way, sorry. So we've got VHF, then we have NW1, NW2, W3, different bands I'm guessing. Oh, what did that just say there? This is 80 meters. Ah, it says loading SSB, single sideband. Okay. Then we go to SW1, SW2, SSB, 40 meters, SW3, SW4, SW I'm guessing is shortwave, SW5, SW6, 20 meters, switching to SSB again there. SW7, SW8, then we got 15 meters, SW9, then we got CB on the 27 megahertz, then we got the 10 meters, okay, so yeah, so if I go to SFCB, what modes are there here? Ah, so you got SSB, upper, lower, so you got quite a few different, you got AM, okay, hold on, ah yeah, it doesn't let me do FM, it jumps to upper lower sideband, then to upper sideband, amplitude modulation, won't do FM, and it just skips down to, okay. So that's, what about the step? What have we got here? Okay, this is just the stepping, which is how much the frequency changes when I rotate it. So that's just, I don't know, just leave it at that. Bandwidth. Okay, we've got different bandwidths here. Okay. Now what else do we have? Bandwidth, mute. I'm guessing this is self-explanatory. Yep, there we go. It even tells you it'll mute there. So let's back to the volume again. What else do we have? AGC on. Automatic gain control. Not sure about that one yet. Soft mute. Okay, it's attenuation. Not familiar with that. Maybe one of you guys are that uses the These sort of frequencies, maybe this sort of receiver. What else do we have? Seek up. Okay, let's have a look. What's that do? Nothing. What about seek down? Or is that seek on? Nothing. Okay, so you can't do a seek on this. Calibration, what's that? Oh, I don't want to mess around with that. Let's just leave that the way it is. Okay, so let's go back to... Oh, hold on, there's brightness. Oh yeah. Down to 32 is the lowest and 255 is the highest. Okay, what else can we do? Okay, I'm going to switch it to another band. So let's go. Let's go to FM. Volume. Let's turn it down a bit. Let's look at this seek function. Where is it? Seek up. Let's have a look. Okay, so suck up, seeked up. What about that one? Yep. Okay, so that seeks down. It's seeking down. I don't know what it's supposed to have found there, but anyway. Okay, let's try seeking up. I suppose the reception will depend on which way this is pointing. Is he? Okay, well, so I got this from Banggood. I'll put a link on it in my description here. They contacted me asking if I wouldn't mind just doing an unboxing and a brief usage on it, which I will be doing a brief usage on it soon. A lot of functions in here I would like to use. I may find it a bit difficult using the shortwaves on here because there's no spectrum analyzer or waterfall to show me what's going on in the area, so I'd have to know what frequencies. Maybe there's some sort of competition going on, and I'll see if I can kind of tune into them frequencies at that point. Anyway, this was sent to me and I said I would have a look at it. Yeah, I may actually take it, if it's a nice day in the next few days, up to maybe the top of Mount Seymour here in Vancouver. Hook it up and then just see what I can pick up. Yeah. Anyway, this is it, a little receiver. It is AMNVOLT. The box it came in is very generic, so I do know this is a newish product that they're promoting here. So I'll show you this later on. I'll probably put this on a photograph and zoom in on it on the video, and maybe just put them towards the end with the function configuration, all that sort of stuff. Anyway, this is Ham Fan with a slightly different, well, let's turn this down. Slightly different unboxing today, as it is a receiver only. And it looks like it receives in bands which I don't really work in very often. So it's going to be an interesting little journey with this, I believe. See what it's like and how well it works. Anyway, that's it for this evening for this little tiny radio receiver. As I say, the link's going to be in the description of where you can get it from, and there'll be more on this radio receiver to come. Thank you very much now, and good night.